Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to improve your chances of winning as a chameleon in Meccha Chameleon. So if you want better hiding strategies, just follow along. First, don't hide in random places. Look for areas where your character naturally fits with the environment. Next, use the paint tool and copy the exact colors from nearby objects. And after painting, choose a pose that matches the object's shape around you. And avoid open areas because even a perfect color match can be spotted if your outline looks wrong. Another important tip is staying completely still. Movement is one of the easiest ways for seekers to find you, so you should also learn the maps and remember where players usually search. The best chameleons combine good painting, smart positioning, and patience. So that was how to improve and win more games as a chameleon. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.